This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you, unbox some of the blade I have for you guys. This is Treet Platinum. All my life I have been using Gillette, but recently I find out there are some alternative version of blade available. They are a little bit cheaper, economical in price, so I'm trying this out. So I have a 5-pack here. Each box has 10 blades together inside. So this is Treet Platinum Super Stainless Blade. 10 blades together in this pack. Here we go. Open here, there. So here we go. Let me unpack this one. So I think I have to break the pack here. There we go. The blades, lovely. See, 10 pack of blade. I will take one out here. Super stainless steel platinum, and it's with glue. Take this off. Yeah, lovely. And look quite basic. And let's take this off. Nothing is written, and the blade here quite sharp, similar as any big. Here you can see Treet stainless steel blade, lovely. So this is Gillette and this is Treet together. You can see they look quite similar, only how many shave you get, surely with Gillette you get a little bit more, but they look quite similar. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.